Rear-end collisions occur when one vehicle is following another and fails to slow or stop before hitting the rear of the vehicle in front. Sometimes it causes minor damages. Other times, it's a serious event. What does someone do if involved? This video goes over what to know about rear-end collisions. The statistics. Rear-end collisions occur in the US about once every 8 seconds. Occupants of both vehicles may be hurt in a rear-end accident. Even when these types of accidents occur at low speeds, they can still cause very serious injuries. Drivers and passengers hurt in an accident should seek help from an experienced car accident lawyer who can help them enforce their legal rights to compensation from the driver responsible for the accident. NHTSA indicates that rear-end collisions account for between 20 and 30% of all car accidents in the United States. In almost every case, these accidents happen because the driver does not leave enough space between his or her car and the vehicle in front. Drivers are expected to maintain a safe following distance, which is usually defined as a 2 to 4 second gap. This means that if the vehicle in front passes a fixed object, the vehicle behind should not pass that same object until about 4 seconds later. Leaving this much time between cars should allow the vehicle at the rear to stop before striking the lead car, even if the lead car has to stop short. The causes. Since drivers in the vehicle that is following have better control over how close they are to the vehicle in front, these drivers are almost always considered to be at fault in a rear-end collision. This means that the driver in the front can usually take legal action to hold the driver at rear responsible. It is harder for the rear driver to recover against the driver of the lead car, since the rear driver is presumed to be at fault for the accident. However, there are narrow exceptions to this presumption. These types of crashes occur for many reasons in addition to following too closely. Other common factors in rear-end collisions are distracted driving, speeding, brake problems, and weather conditions. And some others are sudden lane changes, failure to signal, and stopping short. Taking legal action. Rear-end collisions commonly lead to whiplash, back injuries, and fractures. These types of injuries can occur even in a low-speed crash. Getting full compensation after a rear-end accident is essential so the driver can have their bills and losses covered. Drivers should be compensated by the driver who caused the crash for medical bills, lost income, pain and suffering, emotional distress, or the wrongful death of family members. An experienced accident lawyer can help avoid getting less than what's deserved because of the dishonest tactics of insurance companies. At Underwood Law Offices, their dedicated car accident attorneys have extensive experience with rear-end crashes. They can help gather evidence to prove who was to blame for the accident. They can also help demonstrate the extent of the injuries. The rear-end crash attorneys at Underwood Law Office are ready to help drivers recover the maximum compensation available for the injury case. In Dallas-Fort Worth, their McKinney attorneys serve all of DFW, including Allen, Frisco, Plano, and McKinney, Texas. In West Virginia, their Huntington, West Virginia attorney office represents clients across the entire state. Call their toll-free number, 844-UNDERWOOD, that's 844-863-3796, for a free consultation about a fair settlement. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.